Hey, welcome back to my channel. Appreciate it, y'all checking me out. I want to do a big thank you, and appreciate everybody subscribing and doing the comment thing and the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. My channel is growing thanks to you guys and girls, ladies. All right, so as I promised, then my power station that I built. So let's get started on it. I just want to show you briefly. If you're all interested in power stations, it really fascinates me that you can build one for a whole lot cheaper than you know, like the major brand names or even the knockoffs. They're kind of expensive too. Right now, this is a 1200 watt inverter with a 1200 watt battery in it, so I can go 1200 watts, which means I can do a coffee pot or some saws I can do. Definitely a refrigerator, small refrigerator. So this is why I built it, and I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on one that's already done. They can be really expensive for 1200 watts. They could run you right on up there more than I got invested in this. All right, so here we go. Turn off my inverter with this little switch. So here we go. Turn it off. I don't know if you can hear it. It turned off. Now turn it back on. Got to hold the button. Alright, so we got that. And then I got my cigarette lighter adapter. My digital readout. Find out how many volts you got. You got a little for your cell phone chargers and stuff. I got switches that I can turn on and off. You see the little light comes on, turn it on right there, the lights. Got 5 switches if I want to wire up a light on the side. That's what I want to do eventually here soon. Put some lights off to the side so when it gets dark and shine, you can turn it off with the switch. And here's my fans. One's going out and the other one's coming in. So that's what I got. Okay, now bear with me. I want to show you something else. Bear with me. So then I got my little 110s, and they're powered in with the inverter. And then bear with me again. And then I got my little switch right here. I turn the whole system off. All right, let me show you a little trick that I got here. This is a nice little trick. So I'm gonna turn the inverter off. That's for my 110 source. And it also turns these fans off. So let me show you. I turn that off. So nice and quiet. Turns my fans off. Now, if I still want to use for a cigarette lighter charger, I still got my cigarette lighter and it's still on. So I shut off the inverter. The inverter shut off. Strictly using the battery now, and I still got my charger here for my cell phones. And these are 2 amps. 2 amp for your charger. I'm going to look into a little higher, at least 3 amps. That'll be a fast charger for your cell phones and devices. And so this is how you turn it on and off, like I showed you. And so this whole box is a tough built rolling box. Really sturdy. These can get a little pricey, but hey, you get what you pay for. This is well made. It's got the little deal here, go up and down. It's actually sitting on another tough built box. This box here actually goes on top, so it'll be about this high. I'll show you. Bear with me, guys. There's the bottom one. The bottom actually goes on top. I'm just got it on the bottom for a demonstration. So that's where we're at that. When you guys want to watch me, my name is Brian, and it's 777 the word. If you put in just Brian 77, there's about 1,000 of us. So I'm Brian 777 the word, and the word stands for the Messiah and the Lord, the word. I like to try to spread the word just a little bit about the Messiah coming. We do that a little bit here and there, broadcasting just small little seeds for people to want to pick up on it. Okay, so that's what we do a little bit. Okay, appreciate you watching. Leave me a comment if you like this video, and I can do some more like this. We can go in details about how I do it, and more about that. And then if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. We're doing pretty good on building my channel up, and I really appreciate it, you guys. I really do. Thank you so much. Bye.